Okay guys, Cardi again guys with another repair video guys. Alright guys, I'm based in Orlando, Florida guys, just letting you know. And this time I have on the table is a TARAMPS MD5000.1 amplifier, 500 watt, 1 ohms it says. So, and this comes in with a RCA issue they said. They say whenever they plug the RCA to it, it's screaming. You know, the amplifier is making a loud noise. So, I'm sorry about that. We'll see how it goes, guys, from here. Sorry about that, but guys, my allergy is acting up. So, I turn on my solder iron. I'm going to take it apart, guys, get all these fans and stuff like that from this unit. Alright. Yes, guys. And guys, I don't practice doing this, guys. Using this to remove these. Yeah. Best to use a screwdriver, just letting you know, guys. Yeah, best to use a screwdriver. Put this in focus so you guys can see everything. And a lot of people are gonna say, "Oh, screwdriver is outdated." Well, you can use whatever you want to use, but I'm just saying, sometimes it's best to use it due to what some stuff that happens sometimes. Break the screw and all that stuff. Or you could get a normal compact drill that you could limit it, and stuff like that. Yeah. Come on, something. Look at this. Ooh, this is a piece of wire, guys. I know you guys won't see. Oh, yeah, you can see. Look at that. I'm for taking this stuff, and this stuff will cause a lot of problem. And even what they're saying, that humming, that sound it's making, it could be something shorting out across some of the parts and stuff like that, guys. So please look out for that. When you're repairing any of these amplifier, yeah, it could be some piece of copper wire from the speaker wire, from the power wire, whatever wire, and it could short it out and stuff like that, or shorting across a resistor or a capacitor, and sometimes it give you a noise so when you put signal to it and stuff like that. But yeah, I've seen a lot of stuff that goes on, guys, a lot of times. So that's why I'm passing the information to you guys, so you can know what goes down sometimes. Sometimes you just solve a problem, stuff like that. And sometimes it's even kind of loose circuit, or the screw to a speaker box and it's shake up loose up the joints of the part and stuff like that. Yeah, that do happen, guys, a lot, that cause problem like these. So just letting you know what to look for whenever you're working on an amplifier like this. Yeah, stuff like that, especially if the output is good and stuff like that. Yeah, sometimes stuff like that. And sometimes it could be just a resistor burnt out or something like that. Yeah, and sometimes it could even be the driver MOSFET, guys, just letting you know. Yeah, stuff, it goes right back to you know to stuff that's like that. And still could go back to output and stuff like that. You remove the fan, because as you could see, I removed only one wire of the fan. He removed these already. He said he thought it was the fan make that kind of noise. But when he took the fan apart, he realized it's still doing the same thing. So realized something further. It's not the fan. So that's when he bring it to me. So for me to figure out what's going on. And for me to figure out what's going on, guys, I didn't hook it up or anything, because I got them with this kind of problem already. So first thing for me to do is take it apart. Sometimes underneath it could have solder overheating problem, and solder is touching other stuff, and yeah, stuff like that happens. So just letting you know, issue I found out with a lot of these amplifiers and stuff like that. Yeah, If it's not that, we go, we move on to whatever could be the case, you never know. Alright. Make sure. Alright, it's coming up really good. Oh man. These always got me, guys. Yeah, these terminal right here. Not down far enough for the circuit board to come through that little slot. Alright. Let's see. Yeah. Ooh, this looks pretty good. But it's still have a lot of wow. Look at that. Jeez, come on, man. Why have a lot of these wires? See that? Yeah, guys. Yeah. Remove the chassis for now, guys. Yeah. Put some wires on my. Forgot to show what's on my finger, guys. So yeah, I thought it was this. Alright, so you can even do it like this, guys. Yeah, you can see it, yeah. Alright, so let's see. What's going on here? Okay. Even no, let me see something we did to this here. You know what, guys? I'm gonna just rock this out until it break. You see, that's what I told you guys. Sometimes they do that kind of stuff. He messed this up because he keep rocking it. I told him, yeah, they keep doing that kind of stuff. But what I'm find out here, guys, this. All right, one of this is loose. Hold on, one of this. This it's not only one; it's more than one. Ah, man, I wish I had a camera, guys. I could show you. Ah, the middle pin. Hold on, and this is loose. Hold on, let me go ahead and on. Ooh-wee. So one alone, guys, will cause a problem. Look at that. This one too. Wow. All right. All right. See, that's why I said, guys. A lot of time, these could be the problem, guys. Just these loose. Yeah. I don't know if you have it on a box because what I work on a Smart 5, guys, and the inductor coil, yeah, break off the one that goes to the negative terminal of the speaker. Yeah. So I think you could have something like that going on with this stuff. Maybe we're going to a speaker box or something. I don't think. Yeah, that's kind of strange. That's kind of weird. But it does happen, guys. So don't, just telling you, all of what I'm saying, guys, it does happen. So yes, it's not no joke about it. Yes, it's stuff that happen. If you hook it to a speaker box and stuff like that, guys, vibrational damage, we call it. A feel of work, we call it vibrational damage. So it vibrates the parts and they get loose. So hold on, let me see now, guys. Alright, so hold on, this kind of look. Let me check this inductor right here, guys, because sometimes it looks good but it's not. Make sure it's intact. Alright, yeah, it's intact. Freshen it up. Remove that. Make sure this is intact. Alright, that's good right there. That's the inductor right there. Ooh, what is this pointing up in the air like that? Come on, get down. Man, you see, even this, guys, I could have checked it if it was touching on the chassis. And stuff like that happen, guys. When they do these, where part is touching on the chassis, or But for this one, I'm not sure if that was the issue. That point was really long. Jeez. Oh man, and for something that I hate, guys, as I told the man, is hold on, let me check if all these capacitors are discharged. Yeah, and that's three. I think you have three of them here. But I'm gonna cut these pins really low for some. I hate these, man. Guys, why I do this a lot, guys, I hate seeing these pointy stuff is because I have a bad, tell the truth, guys, I have a bad experience with some of these already. With a amplifier. Really bad experience, guys. This thing, that amplifier blew up all of my MOSFET after I repair it and put it in and, well, not really blew up my MOSFET, guys. The amplifier was come and you have the screws in the board, so you know you have to screw it on one of them, yeah, accidentally. The screw when they screw the board, I think I screwed on too much and it touched the chassis and it could see its parts on the board. I was like, yeah, that pin was too, it was one pin, guys, it was too long. And it messed me up big time. From ever since any time I see one of these pointing out, I said, yeah, I get rid of it, guys. Alright, so here now, let me go to this. I'm gonna replace this maybe. I'm gonna see if it's good or anything, just replace it. Yikes. Right, so now let me see. This amplifier would have what? Both of them would be the inputs, yes, and this amplifier both is in RCA input. Let me find one, guys. Alright, guys, what I'm going to be finding is not something's gonna be different than it. So see this, guys? See the difference? Red at the top and one at the bottom, but guess what? It doesn't make a difference because it's a mono amplifier, guys. It's a mono amplifier, guys, so you're not gonna plug the jack plug, two jack plug in anyway. If you even plug one anywhere, it's gonna work. So it's not a big issue, just to make sure. I like to put a fresh one whenever I do a repair like this, especially when it comes to, yeah, these people, they mess these up a lot. Chin, that could be my issue here, which I don't think, but I'm going to check around. I'm going to keep checking, guys. Yep, because he was messing with this amplifier a little. Even the keys he said he was messing with, so that could be a big problem for me right now, guys. Telling the truth, 20K 10. I am probably getting a lot of these parts. Just these one here, guys. I don't know why they are so hard to get. Alright, this resistor needs to solder. It's kind of acting really funny. Man, like it was loose or long. Look at that. I touch it and it could hear it just make a sound. Alright. Wow, even this one, guys, yeah. This one was loose. What the heck is going on with this amplifier? I think definitely, guys, that was the problem with this. This amplifier did have some loose joints. And the only reason why, guys, I don't really try to show because it's just you're not gonna see clearly. But from what I know, guys, and I'm pretty sure that's the reason with this amplifier. That's the problem with it. A lot of loose joints. So yes. So that's why I'm keep going, like guys, like some people say, oh, like you're sure of what I'm doing. Yeah, kinda, because I get these a lot, like this kind of issue, and yeah, so I will just go through and repair it, like like that's the issue. Some people say, yeah, don't have, yeah. Sometimes that don't have to be the case, but sorry, guys. That's kind of weird. Jeez. But don't get me wrong, guys. When I said I put in that something because the pin on this one was broke off. Yet what the ground pin was broke off, and he said that was the problem. But he told me that he was rocking it, he was shaking it. So I don't know if it happened before or after, but he said he was shaking it, which I believe that wasn't the issue, but he was still shaking it because I said a lot of these joints loose. So I'm going to solder all of them. Believe me, guys. Let me see. Let me just go to all of them. All of them that looks really bad. I'm going to rush, Yes, because yeah, you never know. Right. Sometime, guys, please check these power supply cap. Make sure nothing is shaking. Let me turn over the circuit board now and check these. Right. Output MOSFET, guys, just letting you know it's IR FB4115, and power supply MOSFET, guys, is the STP 180N4F6, and that's the same thing on the yeah. So they're right on this one. And MOSFET driver IC, guys, you don't know it's there. IRS 2957 for this amplifier. Yes. Just like the Smart 5, guys, these use the same kind. Yeah. Alright, so yeah. But guys, something not here. You just broke the wires off. You didn't even solder them off. I thought the way it talks, it's like you just disconnect it, guys. But you just you can see what he did to this fan wire. He just Back in there. Like that. You could see a lot of, yeah. Oh, yeah, it's even that, in that just now. Oh, yeah. Man, alright, stop right there. So that's it. Alright, 2:15. Let's go. So, yes, guys, let's me go around now. Let me poke around, guys. So, register, and that's a 100. So, that's a 10 ohms. Yes, it's good. 10 ohms, guys. Really good. So that's it, guys. Shake everything on this capacitor, this little blue thing right. Yep. Even this one right here, I got this a lot of amplifier. This one right the side here, guys. Yeah, it comes out, You get loose. Somehow get loose, so I don't know. Sometimes, it's funny. It's funny when some parts get loose. Yeah, you've been wondering, guys. Even this resistor right up here, this 4R7. Yeah. Sometime if you put it in a speaker box. Now, guys, that's one of the hardest problems to fix, guys. When something is loose, yeah, it's sometimes you have to check every single part and shake, move them, touch them, from side to side just to figure out, But yeah, it's not easy. Sometimes it's best for the amplifier not to work any at all, then you just figure out what's the problem and you fix it. This problem will drive you crazy, guys. So, you said this was screaming, the amplifier was. Rather than, guys, to tell you the truth, only one thing left for me to do is I'm just hooking up. Hold on. But this fan taking a lot of dust to this thing here. Alright, I'm going to just. Alright, guys. Let's see. Let's put some port in it and see what's going on. Yeah. As I said, I didn't test it before when I brought it in because from what he told me, I believe him because there were a bunch of them like that too. That kind of problem. So let's see. Guys, so that's a remote. Don't make no mistake with it on the speaker terminal, guys. That could be a problem. Right, guys. So yeah, what I'm gonna do right now, or what I'm going to do, guys, is just put it to a side. I'm going to pour it on. This should go. Which way is down? Yeah, this is down. Everything turn on this way, this way, this way. Yep. Everything turn on this way. Yeah. Yes. This is up. Yes. So you could use this to mark it, guys. Which one is up? Yes. With the amplifier. And then you know this way is turned down, so you turn everything down this way, you understand? This way around, yes. All right. Mm-hmm. I poke around enough, so yep. As you told me, it turns on with squeaking. So yeah, let's see. You can see, guys. Oh, that's all connected right there, and then the remote come to here. Speaker is in the middle. All right, so let me pour it on, guys. You should see the pour light right here. All right. Pour light. You can see. Switch it off. MOSFET. 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 Everything seems to be cool. Right. But guys, please discharge before you connect speaker wire just in case something happened to me complete. I think a lot of time it happened to me, guys, where I connect I'm to me on video one time, guys. I don't remember if you remember, guys, and it, I connect one and then the other one touched the body and the spark. Thought the amplifier was out, but it did work, so whew, I was so happy. I didn't have to replace any MOSFETs. But stuff like that happen, guys. You have to be careful in this line of work. It's dangerous. It could cost you guys, a lot. You could just buy a batch of MOSFET and then everything just goes out just like that. Happened to me before, so I know the pain, guys. So yes, please be careful. Discharge this before you ever do nothing. You cut the speaker wire. I cut the speaker wire before you do anything else, and then you do your stuff. Be careful in this situation not to drop the all-in key. Whatever, guys, just be careful. Alright. Alright, everything is down. So put that here, there. So now we turn this thing down here. Guys, not to tell you my business, but I have a 5 of amplifier to repair. I have 2, man, I'm terrible. Oh. I have 2 Smart 5 and 3 of this one here. That's the 5,000, yes, guys. So yeah, just to tell you, it's not easy, guys. And I don't work tonight, but I have some stuff I do earlier. I'm tired now. I'm thinking I'm gonna just repair one of the Smart 5 already, guys. And then now I'm on one of these 5,000.1. So now, guys, next thing, guys, I think I'm going to just go get some rest after this one, because I did want to finish up like at least most of them tonight, but it's not going to work, guys. I'm really tired, so it goes, guys. I didn't sleep from morning, so that goes. All right, turn this on here. Right. guys. Get in audio. Alright, hold on. Let's see what's going on here. Right. Oops, off. That's what we want to hear, guys. That's what we want to hear. Everything is good and nice, working fine. Yep. Oh yeah. Things running cool. And please to discharge, guys. Discharge like that. Yep. Discharge. So guys, I'm not sure what to tell you, but this could be the RCA. It could be a loose circuit issue, guys. So I'm gonna just say loose circuit or vibrational damage. I'm going to say vibrational damage. Because that's the same thing could do this. And this was really screwed in really tight. And plus some of these parts, oh yeah, so was really pin was really loose. That could cause add up to everything with along with this. So I'm going to just call it, so it said vibrational damage. Yes guys, definitely. So please like, subscribe guys if you like what you see guys, So that's how it goes, man. Not cardiac guys. Never a dull day for me. So it's 5000.1 guys, MD5000.1. So yes guys, it's up and running. So a successful repair guys, and see you on the next one guys. Cardi guys out for now. Enough respect.